Hello students of Standard 4. Welcome you all to Dear Mall Public School e-learning class. This is your English teacher Renuka Sushewar. So let's start our today's online session. Today we are going to learn a lesson that is King Thursbeer. Part 1. This lesson is taken from your English Reader Unit number 4. Before start the lesson, let me ask some questions to you. Tell me, do you think that people who are proud and rude are popular among other people? Yes, absolutely no. Tell me, do such people bring happiness to others? No, not at all. They always bring unhappiness, sadness with them. So we never be proud and rude. This is the lesson about a princess who was very proudy and behaved very rudely to the others. So let's start our lesson. The name of the lesson is King Thursbeard. In a distant kingdom, year ago, there lived a king with an arrogant and haughty daughter. Haughty means very proudy and arrogant means the person those behave very rudely to the others. When time came for the princess to marry, the king held a banquet to which he invited many young princes. The princess did not like any one of them. She named one prince King Thursbeard because his pointed beard reminded her for the beak of a thrush. Thrush it is a name of a bird and that king have a beard like a beak of that thrush bird. That's why princess called him King Thrushbeard. Soon after, the king lost his patience with his daughter. A beggar was passing by the castle in a fit of anger. The king gave princess to him as his wife. The king, the father of that princess, gave his daughter to a beggar as his wife. The princess screamed. Scream means shout, shouted and cried. But her father didn't listen to her and she was forced to go with the beggar. Beggar means her husband. On the way, they passed a beautiful city. Whose city is this? Asked the princess. It is King Thursbeard's. It might have been yours, said the beggar. The princess cried. Then they reached a little house. Whose rest house is this? Asked the princess. It is mine, and you will live in it with me, said the beggar, pushing her inside. Life was hard for the princess. She had to do all the household tasks. She also had to work to make some extra money. The beggar got her a position as kitchen maid at the castle, where, where she had to do all the dirty work. She stored the leftover food from the table in iron pots. These pots she hid in her dress and took home to feed herself and her husband. One day, as she was about to return home at the end of the day's work, she heard the sound of music and laughter. coming from the big hall of the castle. Castle, it means palace, palace of the king or prince. Quietly, she went upstairs to see what was happening. A great feast was being given to celebrate the birthday of the eldest prince. Hiding behind the curtain, the princess watched and wept at her sad status. Sad state. This is the part one of this lesson. We will discuss its second part in our second online session. So let's solve some assignment here. This is question number C5. You will solve this assignment in your notebook. Let's see what is here. From the 8 box below, find the words that have meaning similar to the ones written in column A. Column 1. Write the correct word in the space provided in column B. See, there is 2 column has been given and one 8 box also. So you will choose the correct words from the 8 box and write down in the space given below in column 2. Let's see. See the first one. The first word is proud. It means haughty. Proud, it means haughty. So you will choose the haughty word from the 8 box and write down in front of that word in column 2. Thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in our next online session class. Till then, bye bye.